well. Okay, number 2 on my list is ashwagandha. Now, ashwagandha is known as an adaptogenic herbal medicine, meaning that it helps to balance out your nervous system in times of stress. And it can help with things like anxiety, depression, as found in the research. Really important to know that it has that very balancing effect, and that's why it's a great thing for your brain. If you tend to be anxious and have nervousness, it will help to sort of bring down and dial down that anxiousness. If you're very low mood and can't get out of bed, it will help to bring up that mood as well. Love ashwagandha. Okay, number 3 on my list, another great herbal medicine and supplement for your brain is ginkgo. Now, ginkgo biloba, what it does is it helps to increase your peripheral circulation. And what that means is it's increasing that blood flow to the brain. If we actually look at the brain, we can see all of those blood vessels, really important for that proper blood flow. And of course, bringing nutrients up to the brain like oxygen, like glucose, so that we can remember, of course, and be functioning on all cylinders. Okay, number 4 on my list, another supplement great for your brain is fish oil. And you're looking for a high DHA fish oil supplement. And why is that? Well, as humans, we tend to be much more deficient in that DHA. We also need that DHA for, of course, that myelin. So yes, B12, really important for our nerves and our brain and our spinal cord, but that DHA is reliant for maintaining that healthy myelin, and it helps with turning natural sunlight energy into an electrical current in our system. So if we're lacking in that DHA, we will not have the proper electrical connections in our system, and that can compromise our brain health, our memory, and so much more. And number 5 on my list is turmeric. So turmeric supplements have been found in the research, and if we look at this study, to increase something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which plays a role in memory and our ability to learn. And even in adulthood, we know now that brain neurons are capable of making new connections. That's what neuroplasticity is. And in certain areas of the brain, they can actually multiply and increase in number. And that's, of course, what we want. We want a brain that not only maintains its function, but making those new connections as we're aging, really, really important. In this study, it was found that short-term curcumin, which is the active component of that turmeric, supplementation enhances serum BDNF in adult men and women. This was a systematic review, so looking at a lot, and a meta-analysis looking at a lot of randomized controlled trials. So the evidence is there that that turmeric, especially that high concentration of curcumin, is what you're looking for to help with your brain function.